This is crazy. I hit this 380 games. 380 games. I thought I could never hit this because everybody's been trying. All the AP players is trying for this game, and it's fucking crazy that I hit this. Damn, look at. This is nuts. Yeah, 392 games. Nuts. This is crazy. Alright, Las Vegas, we'll see what we're real up. Oh shit. 5 hours. Oh my goodness. I got 12 more bring you games. There's about like 400 games already. Look at this. And look, this is that's $375 right there. That's $375 right there. Boom. Look at that. 462. I'm not gonna bore you with 404 games, but wow, this is nuts. Oh, I got the 3 times right there. Boom, 10s at least. Oh yeah, 10s. Ooh, 3 times. Ooh, the big wolf came out. It's only $27. 9 times 2, 18. Yeah, whatever. Ooh, with the 9s too. 9, that's out $36. That's it, whatever. The homes, the snow homes. Let's see if we can reel up with the 5s. Brutal. Fucking waste. Alright, Vegas, this is it. 79 games, 440 to go. Let's see what happens.
More. It's gonna be more. It's gonna be 4,000.
I won like 12 G's. Yeah.
And it's only.
Alright, we're halfway there almost, and we got 4K. Yeah. So this is how it looks like.
How it looks like. Damn it, Eric.
Ooh, the wolf came out. Small action now. But we need more than this, man. Oh, look at the 9s. All right. Well, I want to show you guys something more interesting than this. Oh, we got the bears a little bit. Small action. Oh, damn. What do we got?
Santa Claus.
Oh, shit. Oh, that's it. Damn it.
Can we just pay?
Oh, I got free games.
I'll take it.
And, yeah, small action now. Oh, the 10s. So you guys kind of know how this works already. Got the multiplier. But, and we got a lot of more games to go, but dude, I gotta reel out like huge on this. That'll be practical, you know what I mean? Alright, 309 games, and all we reeled up is this much. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more than that. We're almost done, but we hit finally 6K, but man, we need more than this. Yeah, stuff is not life-changing, but you know, it is a little something. All right, guys, almost coming to an end here. Pretty sad. 7,000. You know, it is what it is, you know. The games are almost done. Very sad. I was gonna reel up real huge, but I guess prior to people who was playing this, had some lot of. Oh, you mother! Oh, that was a waste of all the 2 times or 5 times.
Because it's times 8.
Okay, this is how it looks like. You know, if you play this game, this is what it is. And I was expecting a little bit more, but it's all good. And oh, damn it! I needed more of the wolves. Uh-oh, we're coming close to the end. Sad. All good things must come to an end, though. It's all good. 12 times 24 with all those kings.
Take a picture of that. It looks good.
Too bad it didn't have a multi. Okay, we broke 8 grand, but I was hoping to clear out 20. We just got more extra games.
Let's go.
Got more extra games here, but you know. Yeah, hopefully.
I know, 10 is my goal. That's the magic number. Yeah.
We'll see what happens. Oh my goodness. Got like 31 more games left. We'll see what happens. Oh, we need the wolves, man. The wolves is the one that gives us the most payout. Oh, jeez. Jeez. Alright, coming to an end. Very sad. The show is almost over. Thought I wanted to make 10 grand. Holy. Oh, the 9. Oh, 5 nines. And that's it?
No, it's a 9 2 9.
27, 135. Alright. We hit 9 grand. Kind of wanted 10 grand. We wanted 10 grand.
You can do it.
Oh, we got 11 more games to go. It's not breaking 10 G's.
Come on, you can do it.
Shit.
12 more games, please. 12 more games.
And
What is that, 10?
there's the last game.
Oh.
That's the last
Oh,
game. 180.
That's 36.
Woohoo. This is it.